me talk to y'all real quick. So it's currently 11:17. It's Monday, March 23rd, and I start my first day of online classes today. So I thought, why not film my first day of online classes to see how it goes and whatnot. I would do it for a week, but I feel like it would get boring because I'm just doing work in school. So yeah, I'm just about to eat. My online class starts at 11:30 and it's currently 11:17. So that tells you what kind of time I want. So no, I was up an hour earlier. I just decided to lay in the bed because I thought my stuff was going to be posted for sociology, but it's not. He sent out an email, said it should be posted later tonight. So I'm just going to eat, and then I'm going to head back upstairs to start my classes for today. It's 11:27. Don't think it's gonna focus. Did you see? It says 11:27. And my room looks like Hurricane Katrina came through this because I started unpacking my room, my dorm stuff. I gotta find somewhere to put all this stuff. But this is my desk area. I'm gonna clean this off real quick, open up my laptop, and get ready to log on to go to class. That's me trying to give you a thumbs up. I just like how I'm taking classes online and I still manage to be, you know, somewhat late for class. I think that's pretty hilarious. Actually, it's exactly 11:30 now. I need to get onto Canvas. Poke. Canvas. Log into Canvas. It's right there. And my laptop's on 49%. So I'm like freaking failing. So no, I'm not failing. I need to go to reactions to organic molecules. I don't know exactly how to get to it. She said it's on the Canvas page. Conferences? Is that it? June. It's 11:31. We're thriving. I got my AirPods here. It's taking forever to load though. It's taking forever. Don't understand why it's taking 2 years and a day.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start. So this is, I'm recording this. Let's see. Yeah, I want to start the recording.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say.
If I'm in focus or not, but I only had one class today because my sociology stuff wasn't posted and I mentioned earlier. So I just got done with my chemistry class. It was interesting. We didn't really have to learn anything new because we learned material before we left, but I do have a test, and then I do have a professional letter to write for my chem lab. That's going to be due April 3rd. And then our tests are every Friday. Every Friday we either have a test or a quiz, and the tests are open on Friday and they close on Sunday at 11:59. The quizzes are timed, and basically we can use open notes and do whatever we want. Only thing that we're not allowed to do is talk to other classmates when taking a test or a quiz, which is probably going to be way more beneficial. I did really good on the first test, really good. I think I got like 86 or 87. She's still dropping the lowest quiz in the test. So if I bomb this one, it's okay because you know it's been like 3 weeks since I like literally learned this material. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and check out my bio and start on my bio notes because I have to work tomorrow. Monday and Sundays are my days off from work. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start on biology. I think we're gonna start calc tomorrow. We have a conference tomorrow on calc. She uses Zoom. My calculus professor, she uses Zoom, which I actually prefer. Big button on Canvas wasn't bad, but I really prefer the whole Zoom thing. It's way more personal, so it makes me feel like I'm actually in class. With this, like there was the chat, I was like really distracted. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna continue unpacking and cleaning, and that's what I have planned for today. So online classes is, I don't know how to feel about it. I'm not happy about it. I really need in-class instruction. I just learn best that way, but there's nothing I can do about this dumb stupid quarantine and this dumb coronavirus that's going around. I'm highly salty about corona because like it's like the last 6-7 weeks of my college freshman experience was ripped from underneath me, and I just really felt bad because I know the seniors and people who had like weddings planned, and like healthcare professionals are really going through it. Especially me, I work in fast food, and these fast food customers are still being mean. Like, chill, dog. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and get a look at bio. It's only 12:08, so I might do this for another hour and then probably eat lunch. My sister's here. My parents is at work because you know there's no school. My sister has no freaking schoolwork. I wish I could be in her boat and like sleep all day, but I can't. I feel like I'm talking too much, so I'm gonna just log out. Alright, y'all. So it's, I don't know if you can see me, but it's 2:25. I end up like taking a nap after my class, so I'm gonna eat lunch at like 3 o'clock. But right now I'm just cleaning my, not really cleaning my room. I'm putting my clothes up because putting up my stuff, there's just a lot of things to do. I feel like I don't have a lot of time to do it, and then I'll probably do some more classes in like an hour, like 2 hours or something. But like I really just need to get some progress done on my room, and then yeah, that's it. I'm not feeling this. The governor made a speech today. The governor of Virginia, he made a speech today. This is not mine, it's my sister's. He made a speech today saying that K through 12 schools will be closed for the remaining school year, and I really feel really bad for the seniors because like I'm really not like super close with them, but I'm still friends with a lot of seniors and who are going to graduate, and they were like really excited for prom and stuff, and then they just get prom and graduation worked out, and the governor didn't even make a speech about how they might be able to accommodate for graduation and things like that. So it just kind of sucks because it's just like, dang, something you work so hard for just get worked out. Because if that was me in that position, I wouldn't know how to feel if I just found out that one day I wasn't able to go to school, thinking that we might have the chance to go back, and then we actually don't end up getting the chance to go back, and then I can't graduate or have prom or do the things that actually make senior year. People spend all that time once they get to high school looking forward to that, and then they don't even get to enjoy it. So you know, it just sucks. I just feel really bad for them, but this whole corona thing got everybody messed up, especially the people who keep coming through at Sonic with their attitude. It's like, baby girl, I'm gonna need you to fix your attitude or I'm not taking your order, and that's a period. But yeah, I'm just gonna work on my room, and then I'll update y'all when I'm gonna eat lunch and then work on some more classes. So, then eat those ones. I mean, they both open. Exactly.
Okay, what? Say
Something.
something. Okay, what?
I'm about to go apply the shit with her. Did that hurt?
No.
Say something. Please. Oh, crap. When am I done something to do something again? Yeah, I'm gonna watch it from right here. I'm eating. I gotta finish my run. Well, not finish it, but
We got like an hour and a half left.
Jasmine said it was a 48-hour rental.
Yeah, the 40 hours in. In a little while.
Oh yeah. Okay, then I'll watch it. I just
Well, in a
finished.
little while, like 6:30, 6:45.
Okay, put it on.
Oh, you wouldn't watch none of it, huh? You wasn't here.
I will at work.
Yeah, so that's that.
But I think the reviews on it, I heard it was really good for psychological horror. So I was interested in seeing it anyway.
You love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
Alright, so I'm going to end the video right here because I didn't do it earlier. I ate lunch, and then after lunch, I freaking just worked on my room. So let me give you a little update. This is what my room looks like. It's like a freaking tsunami. It looks really, really bad. But the goal is to have my room done by Wednesday. I have work tomorrow and classes. My head hurts really, really bad after I sprayed some air freshener in my room. And then like ever since I sprayed it, my head just been on 10. So I'm finna go to bed. So I want to say thank you everyone who watched this video and to see what it's like with a day in my life. My first day of online classes, whatever. My stomach hurts really, really bad too. So I think Mother Nature's finna like ruin my life. But that's all on being a female, you know? So yeah, thanks so much for watching. There's going to be plenty more vlogs to come with this quarantine life because there's only so much YouTube and anime and movies and Netflix and Hulu and Amazon Prime and Disney Plus that I can watch. And I'm going to cancel my Disney Plus because I don't even watch it and my sister don't need these anymore. I think I can save that $6.99 a month. Well, anyway, at least I have the joy of going to work so I can get some human interaction. If it wasn't for work, trust me, I would be freaking dead by now because being in my house with just my sister, my mom, and my dad, it's literally social suicide. But yeah, I have this video should be posted soon and I have some other content coming for you guys. So stay tuned. I love you guys all the way to the moon and back and thank you for all your support. Mwah.